Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is matrices and determinants on matrix polynomials and powers of matrices. This question appeared in JEE Main 2022 and similar variants in 24, 23 and 20. This matrix A is given and it satisfies this polynomial equation for n greater than equal to 3. We have to find the sum of all elements of a power 50. This type of problem requires you to simplify higher powers of a matrix a power n or a power 50 using pattern finding. We are given matrix A, so first we will find out A square by matrix multiplication. A square equals matrix 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 multiplied by the same matrix A 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. I hope you know how to do matrix multiplication. Here we have to find the sum of all elements of a power 50. So we will start by finding the sum of elements of a square. That equals 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2, 5. Later we shall also need sum of elements of an identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and its sum of elements will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Next we have to establish the pattern of terms in the given relation a power n equals a power n minus 2 plus a square minus identity matrix where n is greater than equal to 3. A power n minus a power n minus 2 will be a square minus identity matrix I. Here, since we have to find sum of all elements of a power 50 and this power 50 being an even number, we will find equations for successive even powers of n. So for n equals 4, we have a power 4 minus a square equals a square minus I. For n equals 6, we have a power 6 minus a power 4 equals a square minus I. For n equals 8, a power 8 minus a power 6 equals a square minus I. So and so forth. Since n is even, for n equals 2t, where t is any positive integer, a power 2t minus a power 2t minus 2 will be a square minus I. Adding k minus 1 equations, there is a small mistake here. Instead of adding k minus 1 equations, this should be t minus 1 equations. Vertically, all intermediate terms like a power 4, a power 6, a power 8 and a power 2t minus 2 cancel out, giving us this a power 2t minus this a square equals, since we are adding k minus 1 equations, k minus 1 into, there is another mistake here also. Instead of adding k minus 1 equations, this should have been t minus 1 equations. This a square minus I, a power 2t equals a square plus t a square minus a square minus t minus 1 into I. Cancelling a square, a power 2t will be t a square minus t minus 1 I. Now we will find sum of elements of a power 50. Now this 50 being even, we will assume 2t equals 50, giving t equals 25. Now from this, a50 becomes 25 a square minus 25 minus 1, 24i. Now taking sum of elements of matrices on both sides of equation, sum of elements of matrix A power 50 will be equal to 25 into sum of elements of A square here, which is 5, minus 24 into sum of elements of identity matrix I, which is 3 here. 125 minus 72 gives 53, and this is the sum of elements of matrix A power 50. So the correct answer option here is A, 53, this one here. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.